Dog Training in Cincinnati. I have a new 15-day board and train with me. This is Duke. Duke! Hey, Duke! Okay, hi. Duke is a Labradoodle, and as you can see, he is pretty nervous. Mainly just needs to work on confidence building and socialization. So far, he doesn't really want anything to do with me, but we'll see if I can get him to do any commands before we start. Duke, can you can? Duke, can? Can? Hey, can you can? Oh, hi, good boy, this way. Okay, good boy, hi, good job, buddy, that's good. Okay, all right. Hey, Duke, can you sit? Oh, okay, that's good. Good job, buddy. All right, what about down? Can you lay down? Can you down? Down? No, that's okay. All right, that's okay. That's a really good set. Okay, Duke, break. Good job, buddy. Okay, bye. So as you can see, he is definitely just super nervous. Definitely gonna need some time to get comfortable before we start with training, but keep watching to see his amazing transformation. And